Wait. Batman. Wait, I don't know how to do it. I don't know. It's like it's slippery here. Hit a red spider biting him.
We do go this way in order to get back to the regular trail. This is just the one little part you go in and see all the ferns.
Okay. Mom, do it. Batman! Yeah, I want to go ahead.
Even the rainforest.
She's obsessed with flowers. Oh, yeah, that's great. It's great.
Look at how weird this is.
It's cool.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Don't eat the magic shrooms.
Miss Strange Lady, she made me nervous. Morning.
What?
Take your medicine.
Yeah. I did.
The pond you've all been waiting for.
This is where we went in.
No. Look over here. Ta-da! And there's the willow tree. And here's the other willow tree.
Ow.
So let's sit down on the bench and take a rest and see if we can feed any fish. If there are any.
I should go fishing here.
Or sometimes the duck comes and I'll let you know right now there's a lot of dragonflies over here.
Cool.
Send frogs.
You can hear some frogs over there. He's like,
Forget about you.
sounds like my dad's farts.
Dragonflies in the video.
I've seen. I know. I've seen the flower on the lily pad. They had it at Frosty Acres.
I want that.
It's gonna die. And here, for the famous Shelley Lito Smith, the red carpet.